sibling grew up. She got so strong, but she lived on the wrong side of town. She never was told what her father did, and she wondered when she was frowned down. She was doomed to be a part of this world. No place for dreams. Prematurity made her to the best paid girl in the scene. Sometimes she feels like an unfledged bird. Sometimes she feels like an unfledged bird. She had money, a car, and luxury, everything that money can buy. But the strangers at night will never guess that her dreams sometimes made her cry. She drew pictures of the life she wanted to live, a husband and a child. And maybe she